birds. Yes, this is their food. Let's go and feed them. It has been long without feeding them, so I know they are hungry, so let's go and feed them. Yes. Wow. Yeah. Let me put this here so that I can open the door. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Let's get my far. Yeah. It's not easy, oh. Anyway, guys, these are my birds. Wow. I used to have one like 4 birds, but see now, wow, God is good. Yeah, see, I have to give them a lot of water because water is life, so I have to give them a lot of water. Wow, just look at that. Wow. Anyway, this is their food. Yeah. See, the reason I put water and the food down here is because they play a lot down here, Yeah. In case they want to drink water after playing or they want to eat, they just come here instead of going up. Okay. That's the reason I put water and food here down. Okay. Yeah. Now this one is going up. This one's here. Yeah. And this one here. Yeah. Now this one. Oh. This one is supposed to be here, but I put water. Let me remove this water. Yeah. Let me remove this water. And I put this one here, just like that. Yeah. See, I know they're hungry, so see that? Yeah. So this water is going where? Yeah. Here. I don't know. Let me put it like this. But still, I don't know. Let me put it like this. Yeah. Oh, this height of it. How do you know? This is how we call them, okay? The village life is still inside my body. Wow. See that? Oh my God. Come. I'm the one feeding you guys. Don't run away from me, oh. See that one? That's what. Wow. 4. Wow, this one, there's still babies here. Guys, 4, is it 4 or 5? I think 4. Wow. Guys, see this. Oh my God, they're still small babies. Wow. I don't know whether you see that, guys. Wow. They're still young. See, I think the space is not enough because 4 in one place, I think the space is not enough. See, still remaining. I don't know. See that? And here I have this. Wow, guys, you see that? always down here. I don't know why. This one is too lazy. Come, 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 come. I'm not going to bite it. This one is too lazy. Always down, down, down. I don't know. Let's check. That one's empty. I think there we have one. Oh, we have one down there. I don't know whether it's it well, guys. That it's very weak. I don't know what to do. It's very weak. There we have that. Wow, I have a lot of birds here. So guys, in case you need, come on, pick one. See that? This is how they normally play when they see food. Oh. Let's go out. Come, come, come. Okay, come, come. I'm not gonna bite you. I'm the one feeding you guys. Come. Come, 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 come. Oh, guys, I don't know.